Hello everyone, today we're going to solve this problem, which is the modify the fraction class program so it performs a partial validation if either fraction does not contain exactly one slash. Have the program prompt the user to re-enter the fraction. The program will be repeat the prompt as often as necessary until the user re-enters a string containing one slash. Okay, so this is the fraction math class. Well, it's not called, it's called, well, I didn't name it fraction math. I name it border 4. And then this is the whole program. So basically on this part right here, we're asking the user to enter the fraction. In here, what we're doing is, like, in case the user enters spaces, so we're taking care of that. In case that we have Lie spaces or spaces after the two numbers or spaces between the numbers and the slash, we're taking care of that with this method. And then on here we're just using operations on the fraction class that we did on another video. Okay, so we're going to solve this part that says that we need partial validation. Okay, so I'm going to start here, and then once the user enters the fraction, what we're going to do is we're going to count. We're going to check every character, and if we find more than 2 slashes, we're going to make the user to re-enter the fraction. Okay, so how do we do this? So I found a way to do it. Like, if we declare a boolean variable, let's call it valid underscore 1, and let's put it equal to true, and then we use a while loop, and then inside the expression of the while loop we put we type valid 1, and then what we do is we declare a variable named count equal to 0. That's gonna take care of the number of slashes, and then we type for loop. So in equal to I equals 0, comma, we declare this way, so it's gonna be in this case first the length, and then I plus plus, and then after that what we're going to do is what we can do in this case is every time that we see an slash, we count it. So what we do is this. So it's gonna be string charge at index. If we see a slash, what we do is we increase the count by 1. Okay, so once we do that, what else we can do? Okay, so in case we see more slashes, for example, let's say let's put the if statement after the for loop, right? Let's try that. So if count is greater than 1, what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user to re-enter the first fraction. So re-enter fraction or re-enter first fraction. Let's see. We just print and then colon, and then what we do is we want to save it on here on first variable, and then if, and then let's do another if count is equal to 1, what we're going to do is we're going to change the value of valid to false. Valid equal to false, and then we're going to break the loop. Okay, so that's gonna be for the first fraction. Let's see if it works. Enter first fraction. Let's put 1//2 or re-enter first fraction. Let's put 1//4 re-enter. So let's enter a valid one. Okay, it works. 1/2. And then we have the sum is going to be for another. Okay, it works. So it works for the first part. What if we don't use this valid one? Let's see if we change this, and instead of this we just use true. Let's see if we get the same result. Aha! So we don't need to have that variable. Yep. So what we can simply do is we can get rid of this. That's what I was thinking. We can get rid of this, and then we just have this. So this is gonna be the validation. Well, it's partial validation according to the problem. Partial validation for fraction 1, and let's do the partial validation for fraction 2. So which is going to be here after we store the fraction from the user. So we change it to 2. I know it's not an elegant solution, but it does that job. So instead of this, we're going to put I think I name it second. Yes, second, and then second here, and then what else? Okay, here. So maybe second, and that's gonna be it. Let's try to test the second one. Okay, we test the first one, now let's test the second one. And it's asking okay, I have to change the okay. So let's change this to second fraction. Now to make it look nicer, pam. No. Okay, pam. Okay, it worked. So this is the validation part for the second one, and this is the validation file for this first one. Alright, thank you, see you next time.